Another killer from a broken home until you come home.